We woke up, we're ready to rock and roll. It's 9:30. I hope there's no snakes around here. Parking area there that I could see from Google Maps. Disaster. Crash the drone. Quick! Quick! Get in! Get in! Get in!
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.
Good morning from Galloway Forest Park again, or still. So we came here last night. I had actually seen this place on the map before. There's a little kind of parking area there that I could see from Google Maps, and there's a bench there, and it looks like there might even be a barbecue area there. I might have a quick look when we leave. And I thought, great, it'll be a really good place. I can get some running done around here, and we never came. But the other day, obviously one of my last videos just gone, I was in the Isle of Arran with Rob from Pack the Van and Go, and Karen and Phil from Lilia Huss. I'll put their links up. And they parked down here, so I thought, they haven't just parked in the same place, they've come down to this little place here. Look at this, it's a proper picnic area with a bench. In fact, there's a few benches. Yeah, and it's on a nature reserve, it's on an estate, it's a road. Roads are there to be driven down, and there's no issues whatsoever parking here. You're right by a river, which is great. So if you like your wild swimming, I'm not going to lie, it's pretty deep. I don't know if you can make it out on the video, but I would imagine that it's quite deep in the middle. And the reason that I think it's deep is because of how fast the river's flowing. We actually had a bit of a lie-in this morning. The plan was to get up super early, and last night I had so much to eat. Literally stuffed myself. I think it's because I've been running again this week. I had some food and I laid on my bed and went to sleep, which is crazy. That's not like me. So yeah, I'm obviously using a bit more energy than what I'm used to, and certainly not eating enough food. So we got more food inside the body yesterday, and body just gave up and fell asleep. So, but hey, today's a new day. We woke up, we're ready to rock and roll. It's 9:30. This is the sort of path that I'm talking about. You've got to be careful you don't fall in there. But that is, yeah, like I said, how fast that is moving, that is pretty deep in the middle. And there's several little streams that come down off the valleys and join it, so it gets bigger and bigger as it goes down, like all rivers. So yeah, crikey. I hope there's no snakes around here. I found a snakeskin earlier. In fact, I'm going to walk over there and show you. Another way to tell if the river's deep is if you've got loads of little waves like this bouncing up, that tells you there's lots of rocks and things underneath. Whereas in the middle there, you can just see that it's not like that, so it's obviously quite deep there. Although I'm not a river expert, so I might be talking complete nonsense. What's that? That is a seed of some description. Anyone? Anyone know what this seed is? It's not in focus. That is the weirdest seed I've ever seen. It's pretty hard as well. Let's put it back. Maybe it will grow into something. The next time we come, there'll be a huge something here. What a fantastic park up. It has to be one of the better ones, I must say. I'm so scared of snakes, it is unbelievable. But I think if I saw a snake now, I'd have nightmares for weeks afterwards. Even a little snake. I don't know what's wrong with me, I just don't like them. When I saw that snakeskin, I was like crouching down, trying to take a night photo. So like a photo on a prolonged exposure. So it's obviously it takes seconds. If you cracky, how do I get back across here now? It's not really where I want to be walking, is it? I did see a path though, that's why I'm trying to get back over there. Yeah, and I was sort of like, what's that white thing on the floor there? And I might be wrong, but it looked like a snakeskin. Like I say, it was dark, so the path's just there. How do I get to that? Right, we're away from the beasties. Just dog poo everywhere. People moan about camper vans. What about dogs? Or dog owners, not dogs. It's alright, it's not a built up area, no one's around, just let the dog crap everywhere and don't pick it up. That's fine. Right, so I'm going to go back over where I was yesterday and see if I can find that snakeskin, although I have absolutely no idea where it was. It was somewhere in this grass. So it might take a while. Or maybe it won't. Let's have a look. Let me think about this. God, it felt like this was all massively overgrown yesterday when I was in here. I don't know how far I went up. I don't think it was this far. Somewhere. I think I was further in. Maybe I'm not going to find this. It was white though. Well, that's a shame. I was going to get a picture of it. Let me put the camera down because it's not very good viewing. Ah! I remember this mushroom. It was right next to here. So it was here somewhere. I am going to put the camera down and I'm going to see if I can find it. I didn't find it. I spent 10 minutes looking for what I wasn't even sure if it was a snakeskin or not. So, but anyway, so we're now going to leave this beautiful area. It's now starting to rain. It's given rain all morning, so we've been quite lucky. I say that, apart from 5 o'clock this morning when it woke us up. Yeah, we've been quite lucky with the weather, so we're going to leave here and head back to the Lake District, but we're going to stop at stuff on the way. Mika wants to go to this gem place, but it's the opposite way, so we're going to come back another time in a couple of weeks, I guess. Yeah, I don't want to be going the opposite way because I've got to go to the Lake District first, drop her off, get sorted out, and then drive down to the Peak District, unless I go tomorrow. But I just need to check my diary to see which day is the most suitable day with work. But anyway, we're going to get out of here now, so I'll see you wherever we go now. disaster. Crashed the drone. So we're going to hunt for it now. It's my own fault. I saw a tree and I thought, I think I'm going to hit it, but I'm going to get an epic shot, so I'm just going to go for it. And yeah, I hit the tree. It's somewhere in this bush. Oh my god, it must have hit that tree there and fallen, so we've got to try and get in here and retrieve it.
If you want someone to squeeze through things, I'll do it.
Okay, that'll be good. Right, let's get across here, hopefully.
I'm tiny.
Right, it's around here somewhere. I think it's hit that tree and fallen. Let's have a look around. Crikey, could be anywhere. One kerfuffle drone, you can't even see me. It's chucking it down. Quick, let's get back to the van. These pesky drone flyers. That'll teach them a lesson. Right, I am going because it's literally pissing it down. I mean, raining. Jesus! Quick, get in! Get in! Get in! That was mental. Wasn't it?
Yeah.
There's a massive storm cloud coming. I was like, I've just got to get this one last shot with the drone. And then I saw the tree and I thought, I think I'm behind it. I'm pretty sure I'm behind it. Nah, clipped it. I actually clipped the front of it, not even the middle of it or the back of it. Turn that down. Yeah, so the back of the van now is absolutely soaked on the floor. We're both soaked, the door's soaked, everything's soaked. But we got the drone back, we got the memory card, means we've got the footage, and nothing else matters.
Yeah.
Right, let's see if we can find some good weather.
Oh, and just saying, the people who make drones, instead of put a slot to put your memory card in the drone, put it in the what's it called, thingy majiggy. Put it in the controller that you do it, that you control the drone with,
yeah.
And then make it like a wireless, so it still connects with the memory card, so you never ever lose the memory card.
Yeah, well, some drones do that, but you know the problem, if you lose the signal, it's recording the signal, so the signal goes all funny. That's why they don't do it so often. But yeah, it's a good idea. Right, let's get along this military B road and see where it takes us. Hopefully we can get these windows clear. Which will be nice, and then because then obviously you can see where we're going. And then we're going to stop at a few things on the way home, if we are not walking in a river.
Walk in a river, walk in a river. You're walking in a river. Walk in the river in middle of Scotland in Galloway Forest.
What's in your mouth?
Mouth? Yeah, not that mouth from up there.
You're always eating chocolate! Always! Right, let's go. Ow!